Work from home, no experience, no fee. Real jobs in 2026, not scams. If you're searching for work from home, no experience, no fee, you're not alone. Millions of people want to earn money from home without spending money upfront or having prior experience. The good news is that real opportunities do exist in 2026. The bad news is that most of what you see online is either exaggerated or complete scams. I'm going to be straight with you. There's no magic button that will make you rich overnight with zero effort, but there are legitimate ways to start earning money from home. Even if you have no experience and no money to invest, here are the most realistic options available right now. Virtual assistant, VA, best starting point. Many small business owners need help with simple tasks like answering emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, or basic social media posting. You don't need experience to start. You just need to be organized and reliable. Where to start. Upwork, Fiverr, and Belay. Realistic earnings. Beginners usually make $12, $20 per hour. With consistency, many reach $2,000, $4,000 per month within 3 to 6 months. Cost. Completely free to start. Customer service/chat support. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives. They answer customer questions through chat or email. Training is usually provided. Companies that hire Amazon, Apple, Sykes, Concentrix, and many others. Earnings $13, $18 per hour, roughly $2,000, $3,500 per month full time. Most positions require only a quiet workspace and good English. Microtask and data entry jobs platforms like Clickworker, Epin, Remote Tasks, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offers simple tasks such as data labeling, image tagging, or surveys. Real talk. These pay the least, usually $5, $12 per hour. But they require zero experience and you can start the same day. Good for extra pocket money or while learning other skills. Freelance simple services once you learn basic skills. You can offer simple Canva graphic design transcription if you type fast. Basic video editing using CapCut, free, proofreading, or data organization. These still count as no fee because you can learn everything for free on YouTube. Freelance simple services. Important warnings. Be honest with yourself. Any job that asks you to pay money upfront is almost always a scam. Avoid data entry jobs that promise $500 a day. Never send money for training materials or equipment. Real companies don't ask you to buy gift cards or realistic expectations in 2026. First month, $300, $800. After 3 months, $1,500, $3,000 after 612. Months, $3,000, $6,000 plus.
My honest advice: start with virtual assistant or customer service jobs. They have the best combination of no experience plus no fee plus decent pay. Use the first 2 to 3 months to earn money while learning a higher paying skill. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be reliable and willing to learn. Thousands of normal people with no special background are doing this successfully right now. The opportunity is real, but it requires effort. There is no free lunch, but there are real ways to build a better life working from home. If you're ready to start seriously, begin today by creating your Upwork profile and applying to 10 jobs. Consistency beats talent every single time.